How are you? Today our topic is about size oriented matrix. Size oriented software metrics are derived by normalizing quality and or productivity measures by considering the size of the software that has been produced. If a software organization maintains simple record, a table of size oriented measures such as the shown in figure 32.2 can be created. The table lists each software development projects that has been completed over the past few years and corresponding measures for that project, referring to the table entry. For project Alpha, 12,100 lines of code were developed with 24% months of effort at a cost of $1,68,000. It should be noted that the effort and the cost recorded in the table represents all the software engineering activities, analyze, design, code and test, not just coding. We have participant the software matrices domain into process, project and product matrices are noted that product metrics that are private to an individual are often combined to develop project matrices that are public to a software team. Project metrics are then considered to create process metrics that are public to the software organization as a whole. But how does an organization combine metrics that come from different individual or projects? Further information for Project Alpha indicate that 365 pages of documentation were developed. 134 errors were recorded before the software was released, and 29 defects were encountered after release to the customer within the first year of operation. 3 people worked on the development of the software for a Project Alpha. In order to develop matrices that can be assimilated with similar matrices from other projects, you can choose lines of code as a normalization value from the rudimentary data contained in the table. A set of a simple size oriented matrices can be developed of each product. Error per KLOC 1000 lines of code. Defects per KLOC dollar per KLOC. Page of document per KLOC. In addition, other interesting matrices can be computed. Error per person month, KLOC, per person per month, dollar per page of documentation. Size oriented metrics are not universally accepted as the best way to measure the software process. Most of the controversy swirls around the use of the lines of the code as a key measure. Proponents of the LOC measure claim that LOC is an artifact of all software development projects that can be easily counted, that many existing software estimation models use KLOC or KLOC as a key input, and that a large body of literature and data prediction on LOC already exists. On the other hand, opponents argue that LOC measure are programming language dependent, that where productivity is in consideration. Now our topic is going to be closed. We will meet in our next video. Allah Hafiz.